this video for you. Don't scroll it and watch it until the end. In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit the best online job application and get accepted 99% if you follow these tips. So here is the top 10 tips to make you have a unique online job application.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe. How to earn money online. It's crucial to understand how to apply for jobs online because many firms list their open positions online to attract more suitable individuals. Finding a position that fits your skills can be made easier if you know where to go and how to search for jobs online. Although every online application procedure is unique, there are some fundamentals you can learn to make the application process simpler. In this video we go over how to submit an online job application. Do you intend to change jobs? What's the greatest strategy to begin your job search? Locate businesses that are interested in speaking with you, and land a job. Using the internet to apply for jobs. To apply for employment online, you need a computer, internet access, an email address, a resume, and a cover letter. Discover the top job listings. Woman sipping coffee and searching for a new job online. Which websites are the most effective for quickly finding job openings? Visit the top job boards, firm websites, networking sites, niche job sites, and websites organized by job type. To optimize your opportunities, think about working with a recruiter as well. To begin started, look over a list of the top job search engines. Stay focused on your job search. Man working at a drafting table while concentrating on his job search. Use sophisticated search tools to find jobs by entering keywords that relate to your interests, the kind of work you're looking for, and the area you'd like to work in. Your job search will be more focused and provide you more relevant job listings to evaluate and fewer irrelevant job ads to go through if you narrow your search parameters. To focus your search on the places you wish to work and the jobs you are most interested in, use the advanced search options. Here are 10 stages you may follow to get a new job, including where to look for jobs, the best job sites to utilize, how to use your connections to speed up your job search, how to ace the interview, how to follow up, and other tips on how to land your next job. 1. Revisit your resume. Update your CV and write a simple cover letter before applying for online employment. Your current contact details and complete employment history should be on your resume. Save your resume with your first name, last name, and the current year in a title that includes the phrase resume and is simple for hiring managers to recognize. You may draft your resume for free using Google Docs, save it on Google Drive, and export it as a PDF file when you need to submit an online application for employment. 2. Refresh your online professional networking profile. Due to the identical platform style for each profile, some employers and recruiters prefer looking at your profile on professional networking platforms rather than your resume. Make sure your profile is current and free of any posts or photographs that can discourage hiring managers from considering you for a position. Add a link to your online portfolio in your resume if you have a professional website with examples of your work. 3. Utilize keywords. In the job descriptions for the roles you wish to apply for, look for keywords. A recruiter can more simply examine your resume if you use pertinent keywords in it. Additionally, some businesses employ applicant tracking systems that scan applications for certain keywords. The ATS may forward your resume to the hiring manager for extra examination if you include some of those keywords. Review your resume, and if applicable, add these keywords. If the job description, for instance, specifies that you must have exceptional teamwork skills, attempt to include examples of your teamwork prowess in your resume. 4. Make use of company websites and job search engines. Many businesses list their vacant vacancies on websites that house job search engines. These websites, including Indeed.com, let you search using various parameters, including position title, pay, and location, for jobs you're interested in. Job search websites are also available for specialized sectors and businesses. Make sure to conduct a comprehensive search to locate all positions that appeal to you. If you are certain of the companies you want to work for, visit their websites and search the career section for employment openings. When you submit an application through a company website, it is entered into an applicant tracking system where you can monitor its status whenever you choose. Smaller businesses can offer an email address where you can send your resume and cover letter. Include your full name and the position title in the email's subject line. Use your cover letter's condensed version as the email's body. Describe briefly why you are applying for the position. Include a cover letter and resume in the email. Message your contacts. A businessman is on the phone with overseas colleagues who are represented by a globe. Start utilizing your networking website profiles now that you've built them. You never know who of your contacts might be able to assist you with your job hunt or put you in touch with someone who can. Therefore, stay in touch with everyone you know. Check out the networking options offered to university alumni if you recently graduated from college. Do you participate in any professional organizations? Another reliable supply of networking leads will come from it. Use tools and apps for job searching. Job search resources. Numerous apps, widgets, gadgets, and tools are available to assist you manage your career and speed up your job hunt. Utilize them to arrange your job hunt and cut down on wasted time. Many of your job search actions will be accessible from your smartphone or tablet. Make a list of companies you'd love to work for, employees interacting pleasantly at work. Do you have a wish list of businesses for whom you would like to work? If not, it would be a good idea to look up firm details and make a list of potential employers to contact. You can discover all the information you require online, and it's simple to research possible jobs in depth. Once you've made a list of the companies where you'd most like to work, you may take extra steps to get your application noticed. Even better, you might be able to sign up to receive email alerts the moment a new position is listed. 5. Selectively. Make sure you comprehend the qualifications for a position. If you are qualified for the role, only apply. It is advisable to just submit applications for positions at businesses you want to work for and that fit your objectives and skill set. You can save extra time by being picky in your search, since it can take some time to complete an application for each job. Create a strong professional brand. Businessman developing his personal brand. Create profiles on networking websites like LinkedIn. Employers, contacts, and recruiters will have a favorable view of you as a candidate worth considering if you have a strong personal brand that presents you in a professional way. Using these straightforward suggestions will improve your LinkedIn profile. 6. Write a unique cover letter for every application. Your cover letter should highlight your qualifications and accomplishments while addressing the unique job criteria. Give examples of how you have assisted prior employers with comparable problems and explain how you would use your expertise and abilities in the position. To keep the recruiter's interest, keep your cover letter concise and focused. 7. Finish the online employment application. You must create an account with job boards or websites in order to apply for jobs online. Choosing a login name and password is required for this. For simplicity, you can typically use your email address as your login name. Create an account and then add your resume. You can accomplish this in one of several ways. Uploading a copy of your resume from a computer or USB drive to the website. Putting your resume's text into the application's fields by copying and pasting. Manually entering the necessary fields with your work history. Some websites have a feature that pulls application information from your resume and populates it for you. Check the uploaded details to make sure they correspond with your data. 8. Ensure that your responses are complete, correct, and free of errors. To increase your chances of landing an interview, make sure your content, spelling, and punctuation are flawless. To prevent misunderstandings, all information included in your application should be truthful and precise. To determine if you are a good fit for the job or the firm, you may occasionally need to take employment tests that evaluate your abilities or personality. There are several pre-employment tests, including ones that measure emotional intelligence and cognitive ability. To ensure that the recruiting manager will give you the job, make sure you pass all the tests. 9. Monitor and follow up on your job application progress. Knowing which position a hiring manager is referring to when they call you for an interview is made easier if you keep track of your applications. Call or email a coworker at the business where you applied if you know them to inquire about the progress of your application. Following up 1 week after submitting an application is typically acceptable. Try following up after that month if there was a set window for applying to a job, such as 1 month after the posting date, as some hiring managers may wait to review all submissions at once. 10. Continue using. A fresh job search might be time-consuming. Continue networking both online and offline even after submitting multiple online job applications. You can use your network to find unlisted job openings. Utilize the assistance of your friends and family to maintain your confidence. You may be successful in obtaining a new work if you keep applying. Remember to follow up. Writing a follow-up email by selecting the email icon on a tablet. After an interview, it's crucial to thank everyone you spoke with. Reiterate your interest in the job and your qualifications for the position for the hiring manager. Everyone likes to feel valued, so sending the interviewer a quick email or note of appreciation will give you another chance to make a positive impression. Take a job offer and accept or reject it. When you receive a job offer, it's crucial to carefully consider it so you can decide whether to accept or reject it with knowledge. Even if you are not required to accept a job just because it has been given to you, you should thoroughly consider it and decline in a respectful manner. Remember that the choice does not necessarily have to be yes or no. By submitting a counteroffer, you might be able to renegotiate the conditions. Alternately, you might be able to bargain for some additional benefits that would make the work more alluring.